Hi, I'm John Walter, and this is my assignment for Module 8, the Moral Compass, and AEP 855, Educational Leadership. My summary for the first resource, the Lee video, is that there has to be integrity in everyday life and the actions, decisions, and relationships that we have. We have to assume that whatever we do will be known, and leaders have to develop an integrity reflex so that they can have a commitment to doing what is right when they need to make those decisions. For the Bucaro video, there were 5 key takeaways. The first is always put people first when making decisions. Second, respect the individual's dignity. 3, treat everybody fairly. 4, be honest and always tell the truth. And 5, know what your values are and when they're not negotiable. For the moral emotions concepts unwrapped video, most of our moral judgments are based on emotions. Self-conscious emotions help motivate people to follow society's norms. People are also motivated by facing condemning emotions from others. Praising emotions can stimulate people to act prosocially by being helpful or generous, while suffering emotions such as empathy and compassion encourage people to help others in need. Empathy is said to be the core of moral emotions. By consciously taking the perspective of others, we can empathize and rehumanize others. For Set Your Moral Compass True North resource, the metaphor of a moral compass can be used to describe the inner sense of right and wrong and offers a framework to guide our actions. Acting with integrity and striving to improve the lives of others rather than acting selfishly will help guide our actions in the direction of true north. In the moral compass orchard article, the concept of a moral compass is easy to define, but defining morality is harder. There are often competing interpretations of morality. Not every person is going to agree on them. That's for each individual and collective society to define, as it's a fluid concept. And for my personal moral compass, true north, I have integrity, compassion, responsibility, forgiveness, honesty, respect, fairness, equality, and equity. And south, going the wrong direction, would be dishonesty, cheating, stealing, acting with malice, selfishness, intolerance, or prejudice. My resources. And for the addendum, for the standard correlation for this, the resources and information from this assignment have increased my content knowledge of having a moral compass and its benefits as it relates to ethical decision making and why each person's moral compass can be different. For the relevance, this assignment's allowed me to provide a more concrete definition of my own moral compass and how I would approach ethical decision making. And for the reflection, this assignment and creation of my own moral compass helps me better define my approach to ethical decision making and the values that will guide those decisions as an educational leader. With a clear idea of my own morals, ethics, and values, I can immediately apply this framework to the work that I'm already doing. Thank you.